Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Honda Odyssey garage opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons on your Odyssey's overhead console. To clear any existing programming, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them for approximately 20 seconds until the indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. This confirms that all previous codes have been successfully erased, preparing your system for new programming. Now, let's program your home link system using your handheld garage door remote. Position your remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both your chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Maintain this pressure until the home link indicator light begins to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing signifies that the frequency has been successfully learned by your Odyssey. For some garage door openers, an additional step involving the Learn button is necessary. Head to your garage door opener motor unit, usually found on the ceiling. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button. Once pressed, you will have a window of about 30 seconds to return to your Honda Odyssey. Inside your vehicle, press the home link button you just programmed 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time. After completing these steps, it's time to test your newly programmed garage door opener. Press the home link button you just configured and observe if your garage door opens or closes as expected. If the door does not respond, please repeat the programming process from the very first step, ensuring each instruction is followed precisely. Also, double-check that your garage door opener unit itself is powered on and operating correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.